Move the tent into the desired position, ensure each side is pulled taut. Peg the 4 corners out first, then the middle pegging loops on each side, then proceed to peg out the remaining pegging points. To make sure that the tent stays in place, insert the pegs into the ground at a 45-degree angle, not straight down. Unzip and open all the doors and windows to make erecting the tent easier. Each front corner has a gusset sock. Slide part number 1 up under the porch through the gusset and then along the webbing and canvas pole sleeves. Make sure the frame goes through all the webbing loops, as this gives it extra support. Repeat for the other side. The middle frame is similar to the side frame, and there is an elastic loop in the front which goes around the T-section of part 2. To stand the tent up, insert your end support legs into the corresponding hockey stick and stand the tent up. This is best done with 2 people to make it efficient, and you always stand up the right hand side where the front door is first. Repeat this for the other side. Moving into the middle of the tent, getting your adjustable poles, put them up again through the hockey sticks, raise the middle of the tent, and with the push button adjustable, adjust so that the canvas is taut. Fit the porch ridge pole and slide the porch forward. Using the middle porch upright, fit this in through the eyelet and rope out. Adjust the upright pole so that the porch ridge pole is level. Fit the corner porch poles and rope them out, making sure that they are all the same height as the canvas corner anchors. Corner poles have 2 ropes and they form a V to pull even tension on the porch. Peg out the corner canvas anchors, forming an L shape, then fine tune the porch so that all the tension is even. The U-clip onto the external frame in the peak. The C-clip goes onto the U-shaped hole at the bottom, and then you adjust this to height. All 3 of these poles need to be adjusted so that the corresponding poles are level.
You can purchase the fly as an additional extra. Carefully lay the fly on top of the tent and attach the Velcro loops to the corners of the tent frame. Remove the Velcro loops when pegging out the fly. The rope should be at the same angle as the roof.
To view the rest of the Kiwi camping range, check out the other videos online. www.kiwicamping.co.nz. Kiwi camping tents are available from all leading specialist camping stores. A list of dealers is also on our website.